Hi, I'm Ravi Singh, and I've helped thousands of Power Platform professionals pass their Microsoft certifications with hands on, scenario based practice. In this course, I'll help you get ready for the brand new AB-410 exam, Building Intelligent Applications, with real exam style questions that test how you think, not just what you memorize. By the end of this course, you'll be able to confidently work through complex scenario based AB-410 questions covering Dataverse data models, model driven and Canvas apps, Copilot and AI hub prompts, and Power Automate flows. And you'll understand exactly why each answer is correct, not just which letter to pick. This course covers all three AB410 exam domains: building your data foundation in Dataverse, creating intelligent model driven and Canvas apps with Copilot, and automating business logic with Cloud Flows and AI hub prompts, plus full practice tests mapped to the official exam blueprint. I designed this course for Power Platform makers, business analysts, and IT professionals who already have hands on experience with Power Apps and Power Automate and want a fast, focused way to test their readiness before exam day. Thanks for watching. Enroll now or try a free preview lecture, and let's get you certified as an AB410 Intelligent Application Builder.